Hi friends, it's Mariz and welcome back to Quick Fixes, your 2-minute answers to your most common tech problems. Today's featured question is,
I'm having problems with the donut chart to respond with a slicer. This happens more often than you think. You add a slicer to filter your data, but your chart doesn't respond. It's usually because the slicer isn't connected to the chart's pivot table. When this happens, filtering the slicer doesn't update your chart, which can be confusing and slow down your workflow. The good news is, connecting the slicer is super simple and takes less than a minute. To make your chart respond to the slicer, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. Step 1. Click on the slicer that you want to connect. Step 2. Go to the slicer tab on the ribbon. Then click Report Connections. Step 3. In the dialog box, you'll see a list of all your pivot tables. Select the pivot table that you want the slicer to control. For this example, the table behind your donut chart. Then click OK to apply the changes. And that's it. Now your slicer will control your donut chart and any other selected pivot tables at the same time. Filtering is instant and your dashboard stays interactive and clean.
if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or video requests, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!